Hi there, I'm Jodie from Bourne Properties. I sell in the Greenstone Hill area. We have just launched a brand new development, eco-friendly, and it's called Greenstone Gate. Behind us, you can see that we have started demolishing what was already on the ground, and we have now started construction, which is very, very exciting. In addition to that, we are surrounded, or we are directly opposite the Stone Ridge Shopping Centre, and behind that is the Greenstone Hall, and this is all at your convenience. Greenstone Gate is situated close to the airport, close to the highway, close to the shopping centres, and let me tell you something, this area rocks. We started selling on the 18th of February and we're on 92 sales already. Please contact me on 082 929 1217 should you need more information.